What's up, guys? Today I'm heading up to the Galilee with my grandfather Greg, and we're going to be picking up a couple of our friends along the way, and we are going to be doing the worship boat experience. So I have never done it before, but I've been told that it's really amazing and one of those must-do sort of things when you're in Israel. So I'm very keen to check it out today, and I think it'll be really cool. So we made it. We're here in Migdal, which is north. It's right on the side of the Sea of Galilee, and Migdal is a settlement up here. And right up there is the cliffs of Arbel, and right down there on that side is the Sea of Galilee. I'll see if I can show it to you guys. So right there, those are the cliffs of Arbel, and then right there, that is the Kinneret, or Sea of Galilee. So we're real close. It's really beautiful up here. Really just amazing, sandwiched in between these two. Been running around most of the morning. We're seeing some friends, so I just cut most of that part out for the sake of convenience. But now we're at the Ancient Boat Museum in Galilee. Gonna go on the worship boat experience, so should be pretty awesome. So just on the boat, it is so hot down here by the Sea of Galilee. I forget that coming from Zikron, where we've got that breeze coming off the ocean. Boat's also a good bit bigger than I expected. Massive thing, can hold tons of people, probably 30, 40 people on here, easy. Well, that's it for the boat experience. Definitely interesting. Seeing these guys coming in right now, holy cow, are they rigged up to the gills? These guys have got a small rig, red Komodo, holy cow. So that's it for the worship boat on the Sea of Galilee experience, and here's just my thoughts on it. For starters, I would say, at least in my opinion, it's talked up to be more than it actually is. What you do is you get on the boat, it costs about 70 Israeli shekels. You can convert that over on Google for yourself to dollars, or I'll try and put it in a note over here somewhere. So not too bad as far as cost goes. Beautiful boats, all made of wood, engine very quiet, really nice boats. And they just take you out on the Sea of Galilee, Kinetic, for like 40 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour. And you just drive around, you listen to worship music, and Daniel Carmeli, the guy who wrote a bunch of these songs, will sing a couple of songs with the people on the boat. So you guys should have seen all of that. Personally, I would say for me, it's not exactly the kind of stuff I'm typically into, but nonetheless, it was a very interesting experience, at least to do once. I wouldn't necessarily rank it as a absolute have-to-do item, but it's definitely something that's really relaxing, especially if you're really into Daniel Carmeli or his music. Then I would say you would really, really enjoy it. Or if you just want a really peaceful, beautiful time out on the Sea of Galilee, again, totally right up your alley. But yeah, at least that's my thoughts on it. Really, really nice facilities, great bathrooms and shopping center here at the Gedal Alon Center, so all that sort of stuff is covered. Getting into May, though, we are hitting some tourist season, so it's been pretty packed today, and I would expect May, June, July, it'll start to dwindle down towards the summer, but for right now, there's a decent amount of tourists after Pesach. So yeah, I thought it was interesting. But those are just my thoughts. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a like, sub, that kind of stuff helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video.